Hey creators, are you looking for ways to maximize the reach of your Black Friday video but can't find the right tools to make your work easier? Don't worry, Filmora has you covered with its new AI tools and features. With these tools in Filmora 14, you can create high-quality videos with just a few clicks and enhance engagement like never before. Want to know how? Keep watching. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Whether you're creating a product review video or a product promotional video for Black Friday, AI tools and features in Filmora can help elevate your video while also saving you time. Product review videos are one of the best ways to reach potential customers. However, shooting a product video typically requires a variety of tools, one of which is a green screen. With Filmora 14's new AI feature, AI Portrait, you can say goodbye to the green screen. This feature allows you to remove the background from your video with just one click. You can then add a creative new background or replace the original background with a product video, eliminating the need for a green screen and the tedious keying process. The next useful tool for creating a product review video is Captions. When combined with AI, Captions can be a powerful way to attract potential viewers and prevent them from scrolling past your content. Filmora 14 features an AI-enabled automatic caption tool that allows you to generate captions for your video with just a few clicks. You can then easily modify these captions to fit your requirements or match the theme of your video. This approach effectively targets two types of viewers: those who are watching with the sound on and those who are watching without sound. Once that's done, try out our social media optimizer. With Filmora's auto reframe feature, you can easily adjust your video to fit any social media format, whether it's for Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. With just a few clicks, you can convert your video to the desired format. The tool automatically tracks the subject in your video, allowing you to create content tailored to your preferred social media platform. Now that you have a stunning visual product promo video, the next step is to enhance it with great background music. Finding the right background music can be challenging, but Filmora 14 makes this process easy. Filmora 14 offers various tools to help you solve your background music dilemma. First, there's the Filmora Music Library, which provides a wide selection of royalty-free background music suitable for all types of videos. Additionally, you can use the AI music generator to create your own music in your unique style. To further enhance your video, the AI sound effect generator can add engaging sound effects. Lastly, you can try the new Smart Background Music Generator, which analyzes your content and generates a custom piece of background music tailored to your video. If you already have a piece of background music, you can try Filmora's Auto Beat Sync feature. It analyzes your music and creates a montage that synchronizes with the beats. You can also add video effects to your montage. Filmora 14 provides the best tools and features to easily enhance and elevate your video quality with just a few clicks. Download Filmora 14 using the link in the description to try out these amazing features. If you found this helpful, give us a big thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. If you're interested in visual effects and tutorials, check out filmora.wondershare.com. See you in the next video with another Filmora 14 feature.